Hi Andy, welcome back Andy. Already I have uploaded all the sorting techniques and all the lectures whatever we discussed in the YouTube channel Andy. Vikram Nirugatti. Subscribe to the channel Andy. You can able to watch the videos whatever we discussed. If you're not understanding in this here means you rewind twice or thrice in that video and you can able to check it out very clearly. Here we're gonna discuss about quick sort. Quick sort, we need to remember two things. One is the pivot value and second step is pivot left side should be less than pivot values, right side should be greater than the pivot values. So what we need to do is, if the value is less than the pivot value means third step is swapping. So first identify pivot value, second step is compare, third step is swap. This is the things we need to follow here Andy. So now let me say example how to do these things. So try to understand clearly. I am taking one example and with that example I am using the quick sort for sorting the elements. So the example which I am considering here is the elements 44, 33, 11, 55, 77, 90, 40, 60, 92, 22, 88. This is the elements I am considering here to sort the elements. First step is to identify the pivot. Consider this first value is a pivot. Always consider the starting value as a pivot value. Second step is right side of the elements. You compare it out. You check it out. Which will be the so this is the right side, this is the left side. You scan from right side to left, and once you scan from right side to left side, this is the right side, right? This is the right side and this is the left side. You scan from right side to left side and you compare the value with the pivot value. Identify which is the small value compared to the pivot, then you swap it out. First I am comparing 44 with 88. So 44, 88 is greater than the 44. So no need to swap. Then 44, 22. So 22 is less than the pivot value. So it should be where? Left side. So swap it out. So after swapping, what will be done? I am replacing the value 22 in the place of 44 and remaining values will be left same. It is 60, 99. In the place 22, what I am doing here? I am replacing the 44. So 22 and 44 are swapped. So I have compared and then I have swapped. Now in the second step as well, you check whether with 44 again. Compare the 44 to the right side of the element. 44 right side of the element. Then swap it out. We have done. Okay. Now what I am doing is, now compare the 44 to the left side of element. Left side. Okay. So if you compare from left side means from here onwards. Start from here onwards. So 44. So which is greater than the 44? 22. Compare with 22 and 44. So no swapping. Compare 32 and 11. No swapping. Sorry, 32 and 44. No swapping. Then 11 and 44. No swapping. 55 and 44. Here we require a swapping because 55 is greater than the 44. So now what we need to do here? We need to perform the swapping operation. So after performing swapping operation, what will be the example? What will be the array? 22, 33, 11, 11,
44, 77, 90, 40, 60, 99,
55.
88.
Yeah, in the place of 44, we need to replace 55 and 88. So where is the pivot value here? Now here it is here. 44 is our pivot value, right? Now it is here. Now what we will do? Again you
Compare with right.
Yeah.
Sir.
First step, second step. In the first step we compare from right side. Second step from left side. From right side means greater value. From left side means lesser value. Like that you compare it out. So next what we do? 44 and 88. No comparison. 44 and 55. Not required. 44 and 99. Not required. 44 and 60. Not required. 44 and 40. So here we require a swapping. Am I right? So now what will be the value here? Array 22, 33, 11, 40, 77, 90, 44, 60, 99, 55, 88.
Mhm.
88. Then now 40 is here. Now compare the right side. Now what will we do? We will swap. We will follow the.
Value 44.
So compare it out. Is any values are greater than the lesser than 40 on right side? 44 is here, right? This is our pivot value. So 40 is here. So what we will do here?
Yes.
So after repeating the steps all 1 and 2, what is the array we will get? Finally we will get what? 22, 33, 11, 40, 44, 90, 77, 60, 99, 55 and 88. Here what we have done? Here we swapped the 44 and 77 by performing the
67.
right side. Right side, right onwards, we started right onwards. We have done this operation. So now if you compare. Okay. So now how the array is looking? Let me put in a single line. 2, 33, 11, 40, 44, 90, 77, and then 60, 99, 55, 8. This is the array I am looking. Now if you see here, main pivot value here 49.
44.
So now
44, sir.
yes, 44 is the pivot value. Now all the elements here are lesser than the pivot value, and all the elements here greater than the pivot value. Now if you see this list, this is sublist 1, this is 2. Here the element not in. You repeat the same step here. Now what is our job? Now we will take 22 as a pivot value. Compare 22 from right side means 11. So 11 should be exchanged. So 11,
Yes.
33,
Right.
22, 40. Yeah, from right side onwards. 22, 14, 22, 11. So swapping. Again from 22 left side. If you check left side means, then what will be the array here? Now on right side come to right side means 11 should be swapped. We have swapped. Now we here coming to the left side, what we need to swap?
22 swapping.
Yes, 11, 22,
33.
33, 40. So now this is the
33. 40.
sorted. Sorted, right? Now similarly do here as well. Now consider 90 as a pivot value. 90 as a pivot value, and you check from the right side. So 88 should be swapped. So what we will do? 88,
Yes.
77, 60,
88,
99,
77,
55 and
60,
90.
99.
Now again we check from left side means we need to swap what? 99. So 88, 77, 60, 90, 55, 99. Again if you compare from left side means 88, 77,
55, 90.
60, 55, 90 and 98.
90. 90.
Now you compare it out. Now we what happening here? So what is the pivot value here we have taken? 90, right?
90.
So in
Yes,
left
sir.
side every elements are less than the 98.
Less than 90.
In right side every elements are greater than 98.
Yes.
So again we have sublist. This is one
Yes.
list, this is one list. Again here we will take which value as pivot value? 88 as a
88.
pivot value. So compare from right side means 58
Yes,
should,
sir.
55 should swap. So 55, 77,
Yes, sir.
60, 80.
60.
So if you check here, this is sorted.
Sir, 88, sir, not 80.
So this is
88,
sorted
sir.
list.
Yes.
This is sorted list. Now what we need to do? Perform the merge operation here. Merge. Merge the list. Merge means combine the list. Combine the list. So this is the swap. See, this is not sorted list. Sorry. This is only the sorted. So we mind about this. If you come to here, again the 55 is a pivot value. Now what we will do here? If you compare here means, finally we will get 55, 60, 77. In this here 55, 60. So now final list will be, this will be the final list. Now if you perform the merge means 11, 22, 33, 40, and then where is the element? See, this is the, here we have 44, right? So here will be 44. So
Daddy.
44, and then here this value is 55, 60, 77, 88, 90, 99. Now if you check this list means all the elements are sorted. This is how the quick sort will be performed.
Sir,